Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Asad Ali and I teach mathematics at the International School. In this video, we will be talking about Unit 5 Fractions, Practice 2 of MYP1 Mathematics. In question number 1, the question says what multiplication is being represented in each diagram. Write down the question and simplified answer as well. So we can see that here in this in part A, the first box, there are 4 out of 7 boxes filled and it is being multiplied by 3 out of 5 boxes. So when you multiply them, 4 times 3 is 12 and 7 times 5 is 35. So we can see there are 35 boxes out of which 12 have been filled. Now in part B, we can see that there are 7 boxes out of 9 multiplied by 4 out of 7, and when we simplify them, when we first we will multiply them, so 7 times 4, or we can simplify 7 and 7, so we get 4 over 9. Part C. In part C, we have first we have 4 out of 5 boxes multiplied by 2 out of 5, and when we simplify them, we get 8 out of 25 boxes. Now in part D, we can see first there are 5 out of 10 boxes multiplied by this is 3 out of 7 boxes. We can simplify them. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we get 3 out of 14. That is the answer. So the basic concept behind this is that they wanted to show us when we are multiplying fractions, so the overlapping area is the answer out of the total boxes. Now question number 2, it says multiply these fractions first and then simplify your answer. So suppose if we do part A, it's 1 over 4 times 7 over 9. So if you multiply them, 1 times 7 is 7 and 4 times 9 is 36. So that is the answer. This cannot be simplified further. That is why we are not simplifying it. Part B, it's 4 out of 5 multiplied by 15 out of 16. So when we multiply 4 by 15, we get 60, and 16 by 5 we get 80, and when we simplify, 0 and 0 cancelled out, and 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8, so we get 3 out of 4. Part C, it's 7 out of 11 multiplied by 6 out of 42. So 7 times 6, 42, and 11 times 42 is 462, and when we simplify them, both can be simplified by times table of 2. 2 times 21 and 2 times 2 3 1, and this can be simplified by times table of 3 because 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So 3 7s are 21 and 3 7s are 21, 2 remainder, 3 7s are 21, and this can be simplified by times table of 7. 7 ones are 7 and 7 11s are 77. So 1 over 11 is the answer for part C. Now moving to part D, it's 2 whole 4 over 5. When we simplify this, this becomes 5 times 2 10, 10 plus 4 is 14 over 5 multiplied by 5 over 8. So when we simplify it, 14 times 5, we cannot simplify it because the question says first multiply and then simplify. So first we will multiply this. 14 times 5 is 70 and 8 times 5 is 40. 0 and 0 cancel out, so final answer is 7 over 4. Now for part E, 3 whole 1 over 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So this becomes 10 over 3 multiplied by 6 over 8. And 10 times 6 is 60. 3 times 8 is 24. So they can be simplified by times table of, let's say, we can directly take the larger table if you want, 12 times 2 and 12 times 5. So 5 over 2 is the answer. Now part F, and this can be further simplified in mixed fraction. 2 times 2 is 4 and 1. This is also fine, and this one is also fine. Part F, 5 whole 1 over 3. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 4. 16 times 1 is 16. 3 4s are 12. And this can be simplified by times table of 4. 4 3s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. So 4 over 3 is the answer for part F. And further it can be written as 3 whole 1 over 3. Moving to next question, question number 3. Now the situation is reversed. First they are asking us to simplify the fraction first and then multiply the answer. So if you look here, 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So when you simplify them, 1 ones are 1, 3 twos are 6. So 1 over 6 is the answer. For part B, 2 twos are 4 and 2 fives are 10. And 3 ones are 3 and 3 nines are 27. So finally we get 5 over 18 as the answer. Moving to part C, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So 5 ones are 5 and 7 twos are 14. So 5 over 14 is the answer. Part D, 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are 14. 3 twos are 6, 3 fives are 15. So we get 2 over 35. Part E, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So we get 3 over 44 as the answer. Part F, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15. So we get 5 over 6 as the answer. Question number 4. Multiply these fractions using any method of your choice. That means they are leaving on us whether we simplify first and then multiply, or multiply first and then we simplify. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 1, 2 threes are 6. Now we simplify, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. So we get 3 over 8. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we get 2 over 7. Now part D. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So we get 1 over 6 for part D. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So we get 4 over, and 4 and 4 are also simplifying, so we get 1 over 5. Part F, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So we get 3 over 7 for question number 4. Now question number 5. According to a survey at the time of writing, approximately 21 out of 25 of American teenagers on a cell phone. So of these teenagers, one third of them use messaging app. What fraction of American teenagers does this? So basically 21 over 25, one third of this will be, we just need to simplify this, 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 25. So this is 7 over 25. Now, of the teenagers' cell phone owners, 110 of them hardly ever use their phone to make or receive calls. What fraction is this? So, again, we will use 21 over 25. When we multiply this, we get 21 over 250 because this cannot be simplified further. For part C, of the teenage cell phones owners, 5 out of 7 of them say they use one or more social networking sites. So what is the fraction? So again, 21 out of 25 multiplied by 5 over 7. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, 7 ones are 7, and 7 threes are 21. So we get 3 over 5 as the answer. So how has the use of social network sites and messaging apps affected the connections among American teens? So this is just individual answer. This doesn't require any mathematical knowledge. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for your time.